We all might say that age is just a number, however, fine lines and wrinkles staring back from the mirror can give us sleepless nights. Vitamin C retinol, coenzyme Q10 and other anti-aging treatments can prevent and diminish the signs of aging when used over a period of time. But makeup can help a great deal to conceal signs of aging like age spots, uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles instantly. In this video, we list down 12 makeup tips to make skin look younger and youthful. 1. Never forget to moisturize. Moisturization was important for your skin in your 20s. But as the skin matures, the importance of moisture increases tenfold. Nobody wants dry, sagging skin which will accentuate the wrinkles. Therefore, always hydrate and moisturize your face properly before applying any sort of makeup. Moisture will fill the sagging and dry patches and will make your face look more supple and youthful. Also read 15 makeup tips and tricks every Indian girl needs to know. Do. Pick hydrating and moisturizing makeup products, as good moisturization and hydration is an important factor for mature, sagging skin. You need to switch up your makeup products from matte formulas to moisture-based ones. The first important change needs to be made in your foundation. You have to go for moisturizing/hydrating cream or gel-based foundations. Such foundations will give your skin a supple look as well, make it look glossy instead of cakey. Even the application of the foundation needs to be done carefully with more emphasis on the sagging or wrinkled areas. Powder makeup makes skin look older. 3. Pick gold or yellow tone foundation. An important characteristic of mature, aging and sagging skin is that it turns either red or ashy with most makeup products. Therefore, to correct it all, you need is a gold or yellow tone foundation which will counter the grayness and the ashiness. Not only will the gold tone foundation serve as a color corrector, it will also impart a subtle glow to your skin. The color, glow, and luminosity will effectively hide your saggy facial skin and make it look beaming with youth. 4. Use a creamy concealer. A concealer becomes an essential item in your vanity as your skin begins to sag and wrinkle. A concealer can effectively conceal all the telltale signs of your age and impart brightness to your face. However, it is very vital to choose creamy, moisture-based concealers. Avoid powder-based concealers as they will further accentuate the dryness and patchiness of the skin, making it look older. Therefore, a cream-based concealer for your under eyes, crow's feet, and dark spots or sagging skin can be your most effective makeup trick. 5. Use pencil eyeliner to wake up your eyes. Sometimes, to take the focus away from your skin and create an all-over younger look, all you need to do is awaken and brighten those eyes. You can do this effectively with the use of eye pencils. You need an ** eye pencil on the inner rim of your eyes to instantly wake those eyes up. To make the color of your eyes pop out, you need to apply a dark colored line on the upper lash line. Lining your eyes with these two colors will shift the focus to your eyes and instantly camouflage the sagging skin to achieve a younger look. 6. Apply Vaseline or highlighter on high points. As you age and your skin gets saggy, your bone structure gets more prominent and it is a boon in disguise. You can make the most use of that fact by applying shimmer or highlighter on the high points of your face, which will just take the focus away from the sag. Apply a highlighter with a fine brush on the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the center of the forehead, and the cupid's bow. If you do not have a highlighter handy, just use our good old Vaseline to create the illusion of a perfectly highlighted face. Also read 25 things you never knew Vaseline could do. 7. Use an eyeshadow base. Once your skin ages and sags, you may find it difficult to apply eyeshadow with all the creasing and accentuating of wrinkles. However, never let age shy you away from what you want to do. All you need to do is apply a good coat of eyeshadow base on your lids before donning the shadow. It will even out and smooth the creases as well as counteract the darkness around the eyes. Hence, once you are done applying the eyeshadow, your eyes will look more youthful than ever. 8. Swap powder blush with creamy blush. Use peach and pink blush and blend them well after dotting them on apple of the cheeks to add freshness and brightness to the whole look. 9. Mix non-comedogenic facial oil and foundation. Adding 1 or 2 drops of non-comedogenic yet nourishing facial oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil for example, would help add amazing glow and hydration to the whole look. 10. Fill in the eyebrows. Women often do not give much importance to filling the eyebrows, but fuller and filled up brows an effect equal to facelift. And to get an anti-aging effect, use a lighter shade eyebrow pencil, like taupe or brown. Here's a detailed post on how to fill eyebrows to look youthful. 11. Opt for neutral or pink lipsticks. Soft pink lipsticks, coral tones, neutral shades will look fresh on mature skin. 12. Use concealer at strategic points to lift the eyes. Instead of applying concealer in a triangle shape under the eyes, apply the concealer at the inner and outer corners of the eyes, and also at the corners of the nose and lips to give them a nice lift. Try this technique and you can thank us later. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you were a little help with this video. Comment us below.